Alongside the usual savory and sweet items that every pantry needs, there are a few ingredients that are particularly useful for vegetarians and vegans, as well as those wanting to eat more meatless meals. All of these items are ideal for adding protein, texture, and flavor to what you're cooking. Each household's pantry will vary according to personal taste, ethnic background, and food allergies, but these 15 items are a great way to get started. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. A couple of these items do go beyond the pantry, but they're great meatless staples to have on hand. Number 1. Beans. Though I like to keep a variety of dried or canned beans, I always make sure my pantry has at least 2, lentils and chickpeas. Lentils cook quickly and are great additions to soups, pilafs, and salads. I like to throw chickpeas into pasta dishes and vegetable braises and stews. Pinto, black, kidney, and cannellini beans are also good to have on hand. Number 2. Grains. Using a variety of grains lends nutrition, texture, flavor, and makes vegetarian and vegan meals more interesting. I like to keep my pantry stocked with brown rice, white rice, quinoa, spelt, farro, millet, and bulgur. Number 3. Tempeh. Once you know how to prepare tempeh, it can be one of the best staple sources of protein. It can be refrigerated for a week or 2 and will keep up to several months in the freezer. Number 4. Tofu. Like tempeh, tofu is not strictly a pantry item, but it's an essential for vegetarian kitchens. I like to keep blocks of refrigerated extra firm tofu for baking and frying, vacuum-packed silken tofu to blend into dressings and puddings, and dried tofu for soups and stir-fries. Number 5. Nuts. I always have almonds and cashews and try to keep pistachios and pine nuts around, too. Whole or chopped nuts can be used in salads and grain dishes. Ground nuts can add body to lasagna. And there's always pesto. Extend the life and freshness of nuts by keeping them in the freezer. Number 6. Dried fruits. Raisins, dried apricots, and dates are not only great for snacking, but they can add unexpected and delicious flavor to grain dishes, vegetable braises, and sautéed greens. Number 7. Vegetable stock. I prefer to make stock from scratch and keep it in the freezer. But if you don't have the time or inclination, there are plenty of good store-bought options. Number 8. Nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is somewhat of a new pantry item for me, though I'm very quickly coming to love it. It can be used in sauces or as a coating for tofu, and sprinkled on potatoes and popcorn. Number 9. Miso. I like to keep both light and dark miso paste in the refrigerator for different degrees of savoriness, but if I had to choose just one, it would be the mellow white variety. Miso makes excellent soup as well as dressings for salad, vegetables, and tofu. Number 10. Tahini. Tahini, or sesame paste, often works in conjunction with miso in my kitchen. A quick tahini miso sauce can be poured over steamed vegetables, tofu, or tempeh for simple weeknight dinners. Number 11. Dried sea vegetables. I like to keep several kinds of seaweed, from sheets of nori that can be wrapped around rice and vegetables, to kelp and kombu that add flavor to broth, to hijiki that can be reconstituted and used in salads and vegetable dishes. Number 12. Coconut oil. From making rich curries and roasting vegetables, to searing tofu and even baking, coconut oil is super versatile. Number 13. Maple syrup. Maple syrup is my favorite natural sweetener. It's perfect for baking, making dressing and glazes, and of course, you can never use too much of it on pancakes. Number 14. Ground flax seeds. Flax seeds are super nutritious and loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. I love them stirred in my oats, mixed into smoothies, and baked into breads and muffins. And, combined with a little bit of water, ground flax also works as an egg substitute. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.